All right, we are at case 5, I believe it is, case 5, where we're going to have a single. You can see that there's nothing on this. I've looped this. There's these little metal protectors on the end, with a little hole in the middle. So I've actually suspended the mass there. So we're at about, let's see, we're at about a point. It's hard to tell with the Brad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at about 8 millimeters, 0.8 centimeters, or 0.008 meters. Now, I can be messing around trying to find the center of gravity moving this clip, but I'm going to do a little technique that I showed you, I believe, on torques, and I'm going to slide until I find the center of gravity, and it's at about 18, 17, 18, 19 or so. So now I'm going to put the binder clip at 19, and let's see if it balances. That's pretty close. It's a little heavy on that side, so let's move it just a bit. Moved it 2 millimeters more. Now it looks like it's a little heavy on the mass side. Well, I don't know. That's looking pretty good, right? And I'm going to call that balanced. And so I've got this right at, we'll call it 19.2 centimeters. Now this isn't at 0. This is at about 0.8 centimeters, 0.008 meters. So just a little shy of 0. So I'll take a photograph of that. Okay. That ends case 5.